This is my first time using the thing flipped this way.
Oh yeah.
It's good.
It looks pretty darn good.
We're in Little Tokyo. Gonna get some food, done some shopping, because streaming.
We went to that mall.
We're here with Rui as well, and now we're gonna get some food and then go pick up our badges.
Canon guy. I know all their quirks. Oh look, they have the Draco. Do they have
I've got Draco. I'm missing Ron and I'm missing Newt.
These are really cool. It's a cool line of toys here.
I think I might get them at the con this weekend though.
Yeah.
So I want to make sure I get like the variant shiny ones too. And then I'm gonna sell the Hermione one and buy a variant Hermione one. They have the Harry one, and now they have the Ron one. And I want them both so much. Also look what I found.
Alpaca. If they had a unicorn one, that's definitely my aesthetic. Or space pants, because then I could do a space pants.
This one has unicorns.
Like space.
This one has unicorns.
Oh, it does. This is totally different right here. It's kind of heavy.
I feel like that one's not too enough though. Like, see, I like this one because it's actually got like the tool.
Like that.
Rui found his hat. He found his accessory.
Thank you.
Food.
Yeah, for that stream I did.
Picking up badges.
I don't know if my camera for streaming is
It's nighttime.
good
This
in low
camera
light.
looks
I've never done
really
it.
good. Testing it out at night. Testing out the camera at night. Broken glass on the ground.
Now am I gonna go barefoot?
So you say that like a joke, but I'm cosplaying Toph on Sunday.
Are you really gonna be barefoot?
No, I wear shoes. I just take them off for pictures. So I just tried to pick up my badge, but apparently the badge pickup for press closed already. Which sucks, but Rui got his badge.
I did. It's in my bag somewhere. This is what they look like if you want to go home and make one really quick.
And you would have a really good printer. Yeah, I'll be able to get my badge tomorrow.
And this is the pre-show thing that I didn't go to that I got one for.
Did you pay to go to the pre-show? We didn't go to the pre-show. We're not about that. No spoilers. So I just got into my cosplay. It's kind of late. I slept in a bit and then there was an earthquake and I got motion sickness from it because I have crazy motion sickness all the time basically, and anything can set it off. So I was just lying there feeling sick for a bit, but yeah, I got ready live on my Twitch and now I'm heading over to pick up Rui and we're gonna go over to AX, and as you can see I'm casual froppy. Driving in this wig is gonna be a little bit of a challenge, but I'm up for it, and we gotta go get Starbucks because I need Starbucks in my life. Fun fact, if I don't get Starbucks, I die. Not really, but kind of. I die inside. Just successfully got my badge after my failure last night. So now we're gonna hang out and shoot and see stuff and I don't know, do con things that con people do. We're gonna try and go in now. We haven't been inside yet, we've just been outside.
Yes, we have
people.
not been inside yet.
Adam is here.
Also, hello there, ladies and gentlemen. If you haven't
I'm too short.
I know, I cannot see inside
Oh my
this bloody
God.
broad. Hello there, I am Adam Roberson Photography. I am one of Daniella's best friends. You
He's
may also...
amazing. Everyone needs a friend like Adam in their lives. If you don't have a friend like Adam, you're missing something in your heart. Okay, I can't hold my arm up like this anymore.
I know.
Take a selfie with me.
Girl. You guys about ready for water? Yeah. No about ready? Why are all the dogs constantly
And this is my friend
around
Rui.
me? Hello. I am Bryn.
Right.
Thank God we're in.
So many activities that I can do in this room. It's Thursday and it's already very crowded in here. I'm very scared for Saturday. I might avoid the dealer's hall if possible.
I mean, you're a total student amount, so.
What? I'm so tired. And the thing is, we haven't been here long enough for me to justify how tired I am.
Yeah, come on, man. We're going on like
We've
what,
only
45
been here
minutes
like
now?
2 hours.
Seriously. It's like going through war.
What is this? I used to be able to like go to a con all day and like not feel anything. But now I'm here like 2 hours and I'm like, hey, I need a nap now. Find me a corner where I can sleep.
Same. I mean, you could probably find a bunch of those waifu boys right there and just sitting right there.
Alright. I didn't know they made Soul Eater pops. I have a mighty need.
It's Captain America Sailor. It's Captain America Sailor.
Yeah, if you had done it like 1 square earlier,
We're in line to try the new Kill la Kill video game. Are you excited?
I'm very excited. I also suck at fighting games, so
Me
we'll
too.
see how that.
I suck at all games. My favorite game is Animal Crossing.
I don't play games. That's dangerous.
Go away, Captain America.
The irony is he's
You're
on
too
my left.
wholesome.
Now loading.
It gives you all the mechanics.
We don't need no stinking instructions.
Okay, I have to check.
I spray and swear over and over.
We're in the entertainment hall now. Yay! It's really cold in here, so I'm gonna have to leave soon.
Entertain us.
Entertain us, hole!
Entertain us.
Are we not entertained?
See? He put on a jacket. Proves it's freezing in here.
You're gonna put on a jacket?
He put on a jacket.
Want me to? Here.
I'm not gonna put on a jacket. With this outfit.
Girl, come on now.
So that was AX day 0 and 1. We're heading out now. I just shot like a lot outside. I didn't really film any of that. Hopefully I'll get some of that type of stuff tomorrow. But yeah, day 0 and 1 complete. I had so much fun. It was not too hot this year like it was last year. Yeah. Look at this Geek Strong just walks away from me. Like that's where when he wants to go someplace. He just goes there and we just have to follow him around. Right now he wants to go to the car. I'm making a nature documentary. We see the Geek Strong in his habitat. Happy Anime Expo Day 2! I like 2 because you go peace, but also 2. Anyway, I am gonna go pick up Geek Strong to go to the con, but first I want to get Starbucks and I want to get cash, which is gonna be interesting because that means I have to go into a real life public, not around a con, dressed like this because I'm gonna go into Rite Aid because I also want to get like like comfy, squishy things for my shoes because they hurt all day if, you know, if I wear them all day and I don't have them. So that's gonna be interesting. I hate going in public in cosplay. At cons it's fine, around a con, like in the vicinity it's fine, but just like in general public I feel super self-conscious. So yeah, but at least I'll get Starbucks out of it. So I accidentally haven't really been vlogging today. Also, oh my god, I look so tired. But I got to the con super late because I had to go buy new insoles for my shoes because they were really uncomfortable. And then I was just kind of chilling, and now I'm gonna shoot a bit. So I'll show a bit of the con as well. So this is really funny, but see the Staples Center is here right by the con, and they blocked all this off because there's a Shawn Mendes concert, so all these like normal people keep walking through who like aren't cosplay related, and it's hilarious. Here's Rui doing a shoot. That's my hat. That's my hat.
I don't know. Yeah, no, I don't think there is. Because the wolves are their own gods, you know?
Back in the entertainment hall. You're not being filmed, and you're gonna walk into someone. I wish I'd been filming that. Rui just walked into someone, but I was filming me. Rip. We're on the search for a ball pit. This is where people take pictures. It's the only picture-friendly area. Oh, there's a ball pit. Oh, sorry. Oh, we found it.
Hi, these are my balls, and I'm gonna jump in them.
I'm gonna take a picture with the giant All Might.
You got this.
Oh, there we go.
We'll edit it in post.
I'm proud of that 5, every single one of them. Somehow I was more proud of the 5. So that is it for AX Day 2. I don't know who that is. I've literally never met that person before. He's been following me this entire con. Day 3! I'm doing a crossover today, and then I'm gonna change in a little bit. So first crossover Ryuko, and then regular Ryuko. As an extra.
Among the many shameless things I bought,
Ooh, we're about to see what.
I'm not, I'm just reading the show. Where is the...
I'll show Amanda instead. We're sitting. Who does that at a con?
Damn.
What is sitting at a con?
Is that a thing?
Sitting is more of a myth around here. It's more of for anyone who has sensibilities, which is kind of, again, a rarity. But you know what? That's why I'm here to correct that.
Seems legit. Last day. Sure. No worries. Okay, let me try that again. I just got to the con, and I got pulled to a million different shoots. The shoot with people was awesome. And I handed my camera to Rui that was still recording, so got me to get some of it, and like a true friend, he just turned off the recording and got none of it. So that's fun. But yeah, I'm gonna go into the exhibit hall for a bit and then meet up with my group. And I'm doing a thing today where whenever people take my picture, I'm not looking at the camera because Pop is blind, so it's like, why would she be looking at a camera? So I just want like a million pictures of me like looking the wrong direction. So the toys I'm looking for are the shiny cute baskets of Ron and Newt. I'm looking for the Harry Potter and Android, but I want to get it for a good price because I've already seen it, but it was a little bit too much money. And I saw the Ron one too. That was a good price, but I'd rather get the Harry one first. And that's it. And I saw the Roy and Riza Androids, which I don't have either, but budgeting, so can't get all.
Looks like every water copy.
Would if I could. Guys, the artist alley was so freaking crowded. When they planned like putting booths in and stuff, I don't think they actually thought about the fact that people were gonna like stop and look at artists and buy things, because it was so freaking crowded that you couldn't like walk through, and there were a lot of artists like I wanted to see and like possibly buy things from. And it was really frustrating that I couldn't, so I was able to get one decal, but like there was definitely a lot of like little charms and enamel pins that I wanted to look at, but like you just couldn't because it was so crowded. So it was really unfortunate and frustrating, and Expo needs to get their shit together. Found my avatar squad. Hey. So many. Hello, yes, I would like every one. I would like to buy all of them. But wait, there's more. So we ditched our group and went shopping. Hey. And spent way too much money.
And got a bunch of matching stuff for some reason.
We have similar nerd taste, I guess, but
Yeah.
I'm really happy with everything. Thank you. I ripped my pants. Again. I did that before, and then I sewed them and they were reinforced. The posing was too much. I'm just gonna throw out this entire cosplay when I get home and remake it. It's done. I can't move my arms properly. It's over. Everyone's leaving. It's the end of the con. So that's it. Anime Expo 2019. I'm headed back to my car right now. Rui's not with me, he's gonna stay a little bit longer. But yeah, I'm gonna go probably pick up some food because I haven't really eaten much today. Get some, I don't know, fries. I really only eat fries. And I'm gonna do a haul. I did a little bit of shopping today, not much because broke, but I did a little bit. So I'll do like a little haul. I don't know if it'll be a separate video or this one yet, but yeah, Anime Expo 2019. Yay! Kind of can't wait for the next one, but also kind of can, because as much as I love seeing people at this con and like everyone's here, it kind of sucks in terms of like organization and crowds and everything. So that was Anime Expo 2019. Bye!